Hey everyone, Casey Denman here. We're talking about tax sales in the state of Oklahoma. The state of Oklahoma is a tax deed state. In a tax deed state, the actual property is sold after failure to pay the property taxes. This will differ from a tax lien state where just a lien against the property is sold. So again, Oklahoma is a tax deed state. They sell the actual property. In Oklahoma, they refer to their tax deed sales as resale auctions. It's going to be a standard auction format where the person willing to pay the most amount of money for a piece of property will walk away as the winning bidder. Now, the opening bid is usually going to consist of the amount of the delinquent taxes, interest, and fees that are owed on that property. The owner will have up until the day of the auction to pay all of these delinquent taxes and cancel that property from the sale. So don't fall in love with anything ahead of time. But if it's sold, there is no redemption period. So after the sale, it is too late to redeem it. Now, the sales are held by the Treasurer's Office, and each county begins their sales on the second Tuesday of June. Now, some counties will run multiple days, while others could be over before lunchtime. Auction lists are usually going to be available from the Treasurer's Office. Some are going to be posted online, some will send you a list for a fee, and some might even refer you to the local newspaper that they have those pieces of property advertised in as required by state law. Something else to note is that some counties will require cold, hard cash. We're not talking about certified funds, cashier's checks, personal checks, credit cards, none of that. Just cold, hard cash. That's be all they accept. And they will expect it on the day of your purchase. Something to keep in mind. Now, once payment is complete, the county will prepare and record a deed that you're going to receive in the mail after it's recorded. It's truthfully a very simple process in Oklahoma. For the properties that are not sold at the auction, you can contact the county commissioner's office after the auction for information on purchasing them, as they are going to be the ones responsible for surplus properties. Generally speaking, you'll be able to submit an offer on these properties through the mail along with a check, basically prepaying. Then they will hold a hearing to approve or deny your offer at the next monthly commissioner's meeting. If your offer has been approved, well, you'll become the next owner of those properties. If not, they'll say your offer was denied and they'll send you your check back. This is another great way to pick up properties fairly cheap that a whole lot of people don't really know about. But again, it's going to be the leftover pieces, so you have to dig into your research. If you'd like to get into legal language, head on over to Google and search applicable state statutes by searching Oklahoma Statutes Title 68 and start reading around Section 3000. I really hope you've enjoyed this video on the breakdown of Oklahoma's tax sale laws. For information on other states, head on over to TaxSaleAcademy.com and click on the state guide. Take care, folks. Bye-bye.